My name is Elizabeth Hessami, and I'm a faculty lecturer here at Johns Hopkins. I'd like to talk about how Afghanistan's natural resources could help end a 40-year war. Afghanistan has suffered 4 decades of almost non-stop armed conflict. Opium cartels, timber smuggling, and potential water wars are examples of how Afghanistan's natural resources are involved in conflict as both the genesis of conflict and through conflict financing. But Afghanistan is a nation of astounding beauty, as you can see in this slide, and nature, and in this quick talk I'll focus on how natural resources are being harnessed to fuel a rapidly growing economy, creating livelihoods and stability during a rocky peace process. As Afghanistan transitions away from dependence on foreign aid, secure domestic revenue sources are critical. Afghanistan's economy grew at an impressive 2.9% in 2019, according to a World Bank report. This growth was largely credited to the agricultural exports valued at almost $900 million, such as dried and fresh fruits, pine nuts, and saffron. In some regions, saffron has even replaced opium as the preferred high-value cash crop, helping to further reduce conflict. Afghan products are now found around the globe, such as the Kandahar fig seen in this slide, which I found in a local market in Los Angeles. The agricultural sector is particularly important for peace building, as it can offer a path back into society for ex-combatants, as many ex-combatants come from farming backgrounds, and the agricultural sector is a natural fit for many seeking to reintegrate into society. Before 1979, Afghanistan was mostly a peaceful nation whose spectacular landscapes attracted thousands of tourists per year. Ecotourism could once again bring significant jobs and revenues to Afghanistan if the nation stabilizes. Several national parks have been recently established, such as Band-e-Amir, shown on this slide, which is home to 6 amazing blue lakes with natural dams made of travertine. The lakes already attract about 6,000 tourists per year, but with a durable peace could attract many more from all over the world. Bamiyan is also known for fledgling ski resorts which attract guests in the wintertime. Revenues from the extractive resources industry also have the potential to significantly transform the Afghan economy and reduce dependency on foreign aid. However, this can only be possible if the sector is managed with transparency under a viable legal framework, recognized and enforced across the nation. Afghanistan has large deposits of high-value minerals such as copper, iron ore, gold, silver, rare earth minerals as shown, lapis lazuli and gemstones, emerald and rubies amongst others, and coal. The extractive sector could be a significant source of revenues and livelihoods in Afghanistan and could provide funds for substantial future economic growth and development, further stabilizing Afghanistan. This assumes, of course, the proper safeguards to benefit communities are implemented. Great hope has been tied to the potential income from this sector. So these are just a few ways that Afghanistan's natural resources contribute to peace in Afghanistan and help end a 40-year war. Thank you.